Alright, so you can see over here, this is kind of a little bit back behind the tile, and then as you go up here, it gets up to about a ½ inch difference up there. Also, if you look closely, you can see a red line flush there at the corner. I don't know how well, yeah, there we go, you can see it. It looks to me when I check these window, the drywall around the windows, they're all leaning a little bit that same way. See the bubble there. Same here, same here. Then when I set the laser up in the corner here, you can see up there at the top, it's pretty much dead zero on the corner. The wall's a little bit crooked, but not terrible. And down here, it's just a little bit out. Like, I'd say that's less than a ½ inch. So, anyhow, somehow the window framing is out of plumb. That's a bit more, like a ½ inch over the span of the window. So yeah, it was the actual openings themselves. Yeah, that's see, they got it. The windows are almost perfect, but it's the framing. The window rough openings is off by about a ½ inch, leaning that way. So the sheetrock, of course, matches that. It's just nailed to the framing. So I think that's the source of the problem. So basically, I think I need to take this piece off. And there's a metal corner in here, a sheetrock corner. Basically, pry that out, cut it out, and then replace this with a piece of thin, like maybe ½ inch. Trim board like this, you know, and the texture and paint it just like drywall. But that way I could shim it out here and possibly move it back in a little bit up there if there's enough space in order to get an even reveal along the tile here. So it'll probably come out like this, roughly even all the way down. Okay, I'm going to change out this piece here. It's all stuck back in there and then sticking out.